Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to review a lot of makeup products which are under 250 rupees. A lot of you guys have asked me to review products which are inexpensive. So I'm using a lot of these products for the first time today, and there are other products also which I absolutely love and which I have tried before, and that is the reason why I have included them in today's video. So now let's just get started. Okay, so the first product that I'm going to use is this Inside Makeup Essential Lip Butter. It's got jojoba oil and cocoa butter, and this is in the shade Blueberry. The packaging is really nice. I really like it, and it looks like this on the inside. It feels like very waxy and very buttery, which is a good thing. And I'm just going to apply it right now so that by the end of the video I can say if it actually moisturized my lips or not, or if it is worth buying. It feels really nice on the lips the moment you apply it, for sure. It's got a sweet fragrance, and the fragrance is nothing like Blueberry, but it is still okay. So I have it on my lips right now, and I'm gonna tell you by the end of the video, before I apply lipstick, if it is worth buying and if it has moisturized my lips. Next product that I'm gonna try is this Lakme Perfect Radiance Day Cream. It's got a very fluffy texture, so I'm just gonna dot it on one side of my face and then try and blend it with my fingers. The moment I apply it, it feels very smooth on the skin. It gets absorbed really fast. It's got a very flowery, fresh fragrance, which I like. I mean, when I smile or something, it's not, my skin is not getting stretched or it's not feeling dry, which is a good thing. But at the same time, it also is not dewy, it's matte. Plus, it's not drying out my skin, which is perfect combination for oily skin as well as dry skin people. I will say it's more appropriate for oily skin people than dry skin. It's actually making my face look fresh, and I'm surprised to say that I really like this product. Not bad at all, guys. For me, it's got a thumbs up. Now I'm gonna try this Lakme 9 to 5 Skin Stylist Collection CC Cream. It's got SPF 30 PA++. I've got the small tubes, guys, because I wasn't sure if I love the product and I didn't want to waste my money on these. They have quite a good amount of product in them, so it's good if you want to try it out. And for this, I am in the shade Beige. Lakme has got some really nice products. Most of the times, their products are very inexpensive. It's got a perfect mousse-like texture. So I'm just going to again dot it on one half of my face. This too has got a very fresh, powdery smell to it. Now I am again going to blend it. Never blend your face like this. Always dab and then blend it. You could also blend it with your beauty blender, but I'm gonna blend it with my fingers today. This too got absorbed very easily in the skin. Let me try blending it like that and see what happens. Do you see the difference when I blend it like this? It doesn't get absorbed so easily like this one. I'm not a fan of this because it gives me a white cast. I'm not sure if I applied it too much, but it just looks so white on my face right now. I'm trying to blend it out for the sake of the video, but if I were going to use it on a regular basis, I wouldn't have tried so much. Trust me, because I don't have so much time. Like, I can see it sitting on my skin, and I can see it all over my face, like over here, over here. This product is definitely a no for me. Next, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. I'm in the shade number 4, and I absolutely love this concealer. I've loved this concealer since day one. That is the reason I wanted to include this in my video, because this is such a great concealer. The consistency is very creamy. The consistency, the texture, it just feels like any other concealer, which is a more expensive one, and it blends super easily. That's all the time it takes to blend. So if you are planning to buy an inexpensive concealer, then definitely go for this. Definitely this is a must buy. By the way, a fun fact, many of you guys wanted me to buy this Swiss Beauty concealer when I asked you for your suggestions about any concealer, and I got this and I have been loving it. So thank you guys for suggesting this to me. The next product I'm going to use is this Faces Canada Weightless Matte Finish Compact. I'm in the shade Sand. I'm in a love and hate relationship with Faces Canada sometimes, because I sometimes feel like their products work and the same product will not work again for me. It's very, very pigmented. Like, it's just one dab and I'm going to apply it on my under eye area, and I feel like this powder just brightens your face. You can already see the difference between this eye and this eye. This eye is looking more airbrush, and yes, it is an inexpensive compact, but this works. This shade is actually perfect for me, but because the CC cream was so light, it's looking a little dark on my under eye area. But the idea is to show how the products work. This compact is very lightweight. It blends very easily. If you're into applying compacts all over your face, you can use this too. This has got good coverage. So this compact will be a yes for me. Next product that I'm really excited about is this Swiss Beauty Lustre eyeshadow palette. To be honest, I love all Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palettes. They are so pigmented. Like even the matte shades are extremely pigmented. And I love their shimmers. So it's just one swipe, one dab, and this is the pigmentation that you're gonna get. The colors are absolutely stunning. I'm going to use this peachy shade on my crease area, and you just need very little product. The eyeshadows don't feel chalky and they are really pigmented. Now we're going to use this bronze shade all over the eyelids. I'm going to use just my finger because I've realized that you get the best pigmentation if you apply the eyeshadow from your fingers, like especially the shimmer ones, not the matte ones. So, oh my god, just look at that. Just applying it all over the eyelids, and wow. This is absolutely stunning, guys. You all need this in your life. Trust me. I am amazed by Swiss Beauty products. They are so inexpensive and they work really well. Now I'm going to take this golden shade and apply it in the middle of my eyelids, right in the center. And you've got a glam eye makeup in less than a minute. Next, I'm going to take this dark brown shade and apply it on my lower lash line. This is so pigmented. Just a light tap. And that's all you need. So do I even need to say that this product is a big thumbs up? You must buy this product. This is an amazing eyeshadow palette. The next product that I'm going to use is this Biotique Natural Makeup Magicliner Water Resistant Eyeliner. Okay, let's start by applying the eyeliner. It's got a very slim and nice applicator. You know, in the good old days, we used to have this applicator. I remember I used a Lakme eyeliner which had a similar applicator when I was a kid. Not a kid, when I was in college. This is actually very easy to apply. This is how the wand is. The problem with this, a lot of product comes out with this wand, and then with time when you use, I haven't used this also, but then you know, one of the hair, it just came out. It's not even, but then what happened is a lot of product got deposited on my eyelashes as well while applying it. I'll just show you. So that's not working for me. Also, it was very easy to apply the wing or draw the wing, but then again, because of the applicator, you know, the one of the hair, it just went in this direction, so I've got kind of a double wing here. Next, I'm going to apply the Swiss Beauty Cream and Tint. These are blushes, as well as you can apply it on your eyelids. So these are really good, and I've tried these and I keep on applying it on a regular basis whenever I go out. These two blushes are one of my favorites. It's long lasting, it stays for a very long time. So it comes in two shades, Rose Apple and Berrylicious. I've just taken this much and I'm going to apply it on my cheeks. I'm going to dot it, and then I'm just going to blend it really nicely and show you how beautiful it looks. It gives such a youthful color to the skin, and it just looks so natural and so radiant, and it just makes you look a lot younger. I'll also apply the Berrylicious on this side of my face so that you get to know which one you can buy. This is also a very pretty shade. This gives a more of a sun-kissed look. Both look beautiful. Texture is very creamy, it's very pigmented, and it blends very easily. Go ahead, buy it right now. This is a big thumbs up. Next product I'm going to try is this Insight Makeup Essentials Highlighter. So this is in shade number 3, Angelic Beauty. And this is how pigmented this is. It looks beautiful though. I love the shade of the highlighter. I love how creamy this is. Does not have sparkles in it, which is a big yes for me because I hate those sparkle particles. And I'll just dab it and yeah, it blends really nicely. It's very subtle and I love it. Apply it on my nose, my chin. It gives a really pretty glow and I am liking it. I really like this product. You are a person who likes, you know, not a very bam on the face highlighter but a very subtle one, then this is for you. Just go for it. But if you are somebody who wants a highlighter like my face should shine like a disco ball, then this is not for you. This is a very pretty, very subtle highlighter where you can use it on a regular basis. Like you can see how beautiful and how subtle this is. This is going to be one of my favorites now onwards, and I will definitely use it on a regular basis. For me, this highlighter is a thumbs up. The mascara I'm going to use is the Blue Heaven Lash Twist Curling Mascara. So this has got a slight curve. So one side is, it's got shorter bristles and the other side it's got longer bristles. Let's check it out. I'm feeling like this will not do anything, but I'm gonna give it my best shot. Nope, it isn't. I know, like I have used so many mascaras throughout the years now. You know, within 2 seconds of applying a mascara, I know if it's gonna work or not, and no, this is not gonna work. Like this does not have any potential. I always feel like if you want to get an inexpensive mascara, always go for Maybelline Colossal Mascara, because I think that is one of the best mascaras out there. It's such a disaster. I feel like this is just weighing down my lashes. It's just making my lashes heavy. So no guys, this is a big thumbs down. I've got only 3 products left. So the first product that I'm going to use is this Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner. This is in the shade Choco Nude. Oh, by the way guys, I forgot to review the lip butter. I think this is a really nice lip butter. It's still there on my lip. Go for this lip butter. It's inexpensive and this works, and it does not dry out on my lips. It's still keeping my lips moisturized, and yes, it is a thumbs up. Okay guys, so for this lip liner, I love the shade. It's very easy to apply. I mean, yeah, definitely. It also works as a lipstick if you wanted to. You can totally use this as a lipstick also. It's a beautiful nude shade, and definitely this is a big thumbs up for me. Next, I'm going to show you lipstick from Mars, and this is number 12. The shade is Khoobsurat Kuchipudi. Oh wow, it's been a long time that I applied the mascara. The mascara hasn't dried out at all, and then it just got transferred on my under eye area. So this is a disaster guys. Don't even get close to this mascara. Let me move on with the lipstick. So this is a really pretty shade. If you're looking for a perfect brown, then go for this. Oh my god, this is very pigmented and very creamy too. But it's got that, you know how inexpensive lipsticks, they smell? It's got that smell. It smells very waxy though. But I love this shade guys. It looks beautiful. This is not transfer proof. It's not matte, but it just feels weightless on your lips. And the color, the pigmentation, it's just wow. So yes, this lipstick is a thumbs up for me. This one, if you buy from Nykaa, it's priced at 260 right now. It's just 10 rupees idhar udhar. I would definitely say if you're on a budget, you can get this makeup fixing spray. It's actually really good. I love the fragrance. It's got a very lemony scent to it. So that was it guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Not tutorial, but a review video. And next I'm planning to do something like, you know, between 250 and 500 rupees. If you want me to make that video for you, then please like this video and also comment down below what products you want me to review. And yeah, I hope this video helped you guys. Thank you for all your love that you showered on my other video, the Zudio video. If you guys haven't watched it yet, then do go watch it, where I tell you what to buy from Zudio and what not to buy from Zudio. You guys loved the video and you found it helpful, and that makes me so happy. A lot of you guys who watch my video on a regular basis are not subscribed to my channel, guys. Please subscribe, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.